Good afternoon, it's Peter Boulton. If you're a member of SFM, the six-figure mentors, and you've joined this organisation to try and achieve the things you're trying to achieve, let me encourage you. One of the encouragements I had from today is that I sat on a webinar, a Mastermind webinar, and this is where I'm connected live with some other people so that we can discuss some of the things that are going on within our own businesses. And I think it's fair to say that we all feel challenged in trying to grow our business within this digital online marketing space with SFM. But the key is about keeping going and keep leaning in and keep doing the things that you need to do. And as long as those things are building and your business is growing and you're developing and so on and so forth, you're going on the right track. And I think really one of the things that came out of the call today was what I call a self-limiting belief. And it's about, but will this journey really turn into what I want it to be? And I think one of the parallels that came from that is that all of the SFM members perhaps are looking for different things. We're not all looking to be multi-millionaires, for instance. But I think because of that diversity within the community, some people are just looking for a part-time job to earn some additional money and get some income to do the things they want to do. And at the other end of the scale, some of us are looking to increase our incomes substantially through this opportunity. And some of the guys in the leaderboard, you're probably aware of some of the names, are doing exactly that. So let me encourage you that if you're considering, taking another step with SFM and trying to get involved in the business to achieve the things that you're looking to achieve, not what everybody else is looking to achieve, but what you're looking to achieve, and you can see the path ahead of you, and you believe that can happen for you, let me encourage you to lean in and keep pushing forward and doing the things every day that you need to do to be able to make a success of this business for you. And that again is for you, not trying to make a success of this business for anybody else. Think about yourself. If you can make a success of this business for you, that also puts you in a position perhaps that you can then help other people be more successful for themselves as well. So there's a bit of sharing going on. Anyway, look, I've got to get on. I'll let you. Bye-bye.